Menteri ka kampo yeng ka jela uba lakaman remboi menta ka sengi ka khat khandai tarik urisau habakran shakilat pathai khubor habai dei baka jingsha berngem lane sha khang ha ka seng HNLC ban a ye ka jingkershan ye ki kertong jong ka NPP ha ka ne ka election steng samoy kabanlong ha ka laipo tarik mentau benai uloong bakat kum ka ain baki pajba ki don la ka jong ka hok banjit ye ki kertong ki baki mon batkat kum ka ain Don bala bantuklar lane khang yaki banjit iki nongmi khmat yaki baki mon la ka dei na kano ka seng sain perthei badulo ong ru baudon ka jingkerman bakane ka election chiteng samoy kan yai be bat kanlong ka bajom bat habai dei baka jingsha berngem ha ka seng HNLC ulo ong ba umpat kwa batong AA halor ka te ka benta bat nakaliang ka sarkar kan le ka badon kam ban khanglat na kino ki jingsha penthut ha kane ka election chiteng samoy Habakali habai dei baka jingsha kem ki katu katne ki khon samla na pernai ki bala sha suba badon kti haka jingbu bom IED hakardop ka office NPP na kaliang ka jong u loong ya ka tege benta na kaliang ki bor pulit ki dang tokit bnia bad banle ka badon kam
statement which they have issued from the police department. We will do whatever is need to be done to ensure that peace and tranquility is there in the state. And number two, in any democracy, we have to understand one fact, that every citizen have the right to choose his own political affiliation, have the right to establish his own party or affiliate himself with any political party. That right have been enshrined in the Constitution. So I don't see that it will affect the mindset of the people or it will curtail the right of the people. So I wish that the election of this by-election will be conducted in a peaceful manner where every citizen, every voters of this country have the full right to exercise their own their right to vote according to their own conscience. Investigation is going on, so some arrests have been made. So that is the police will see, and I hope that investigation will be over in as early as possible, and the case could be taken into its logical conclusion.
But the pressure groups are saying we are just
see, the court will not believe in the police or in the system if I have to frame anybody. So ultimately the justice will prevail, whoever may be, that whatever he has done or has not done, as and when they have been charge-sheeted or trial have begun, then only we can say what is right or what is wrong. So it is too premature for me to tell anything because, as I said, we have to wait and watch. Thank you.